All right, double fist. So our partner takes a nice strong stance, ground yourself really well, and then he projects into the leading edge. Now, if I bridge into my partner too strongly, it's going to ground my partner. If I pull away too far, he's going to reground himself. So what I want to do is engage the base, give him a bit more. Now what I want you to do is project your intent through me, and I want to feel that, and I want to get right on that edge and lead that leading edge of intention. If I stay in and just move my arms, he won't move. If I pull away, he'll reground himself. But if I get right in that middle space, then I can keep his center. And the amount of pressure you need for that middle space is different for each person. And once I've found that just mechanically, then I go to that middle space and I add energy into it. And if I engage too hard, my energy isn't effective. If I'm too far away, my energy isn't effective. But if I go into that right in the middle gap, that's where I maximize my effect. For the amount of energy you put in, you get a greater result. So it's getting onto the leading edge of intention. Now, because Jimmy's got such an extroverted personality, his intent is going out all over the place, it's very easy for me to work with him. If a person's a very earthy, withdrawn personality and really anchored within themselves, that gap is really small. Or if they're a highly trained wrestler who's always withdrawing back into their core, into their center, the gap is really small again. So with each person, you have a different puzzle to solve. So I want to find that gap. Once I've got the gap, then I put the energy in. If I'm too strong, the energy, it's not working. I'm not in the gap. Now I'm in the gap. So you find it, you do it wrong. There I'm doing it wrong. Here, he's a little bit more effective on the mental, but right in between goes to the right place and I maximize the effective amount of energy I use. So play a game of over-engaging, being too disengaged, find the middle, and then tune, and then you put a little bit of energy into through that correct pressure and it maximizes effect. Okay, have a play.